Do you ever wonder what the heck's going on in the back of your massage chair? I did, so I took mine apart, and I'm going to show you. I just don't want to stop. Here we go. All right, and here we are. You'll see down here is the circuit board and all that stuff. But up here is what I wanted to see. I want to see what the heck's going on here. We're looking at about 3 motors, all electric, driving different things. So let's get rolling. The first one is shiatsu. Shiatsu is the rollers going up and down your spine. The next one, this is the kneading. Speaks for itself. Next one is knocking. And the best is all 3 combined. Shiatsu, the kneading, and the knocking. And we're just going to let the sucker go through. And that's it. Pretty interesting, huh? And you thought you weren't going to have any fun today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.